Real estate has forever been an extraordinary investment, even ahead of gold and stocks. With the rising population and increasing inflation, purchasing land or putting resources into land has turned into a fantasy for many. However, imagine a scenario where you come to know that you can also own digital real estate now. Obviously, real estate in the metaverse isn't tangible, but apart from that factor, all the other traits of purchasing land in the real world apply to the metaverse as well. But if it's just virtual land, what's the hype about? And why does it matter? Watch this video till the end to know everything about owning your own land in the metaverse. Fueled by cryptocurrency, the metaverse is undoubtedly the hottest attraction for investors looking to purchase real estate. The idea of virtual lands may come as a surprise to a lot of people, but for the ones familiar with games like Farmville, Clash of Clans, and The Sims, it might not sound like such a big deal. Recent months have seen many individuals as well as larger corporations bid millions of dollars for a piece of land in the metaverse. But is it worth it, and what does it mean? Metaverse real estate are parcels of land in virtual worlds. In the simplest sense, they are pixels. However, they are more than just digital images. They are programmable spaces in virtual reality platforms where people can socialize, play games, sell NFTs, attend meetings, go to virtual concerts, and do countless other virtual activities. Is investing in the metaverse risk-worthy? The metaverse is still relatively new. Investing in it entails big risk. But with an equally big potential for high returns, it may be worth the risk. However, like with all other investments and business ventures, you must do your due diligence before deciding to take risks. And hence, before delving into how you can buy land in the metaverse, it is important to understand what the metaverse is. For the uninitiated, the metaverse is a digital world with no boundaries. Imagine a world where you can shop, buy, roam around, and potentially do everything that you do in real life. It should be noted that it is not a replacement to reality, it is in fact enhancing how you see things in digital space. With the rise of the metaverse, digital real estate is expected to grow and expand as well. In fact, there has been a metaverse real estate boom in the last quarter of 2021 after Facebook changed its name to Meta and indicated a focused interest in the metaverse. As its popularity continues to grow, the value of metaverse real estate is forecasted to have a CAGR of 31.2% from 2022 to 2028. So yeah, the prospects are pretty lucrative. But how do you monetize your land after purchase? Metaverse real estate gives users a place to connect online with other people. Individuals can use their digitized land to play games and socialize. Creators can monetize the content of their property by charging for access or trading their NFTs. Brands can use their virtual properties to advertise services, organize virtual product launches, and provide unique customer experiences. For real estate investors, these parcels of digitized land offer a lucrative opportunity. Just like in real life, metaverse properties can be developed and flipped or leased. Indeed, there are many possible use cases for metaverse real estate. How expensive it has become. Real estate in the metaverse is an expensive business, similar to the real world, where the prices are based on location, population, and the demand and supply ratio, where there is an increasing demand for a plot in the metaverse in certain areas. Then the prices go high automatically. Some plots in the metaverse can go as high as over $4 million. Then there are plots available for more affordable prices too. The highlight of the virtual world is that regular people have a chance to buy simple plots or even a vacation island on the metaverse. Some say buying real estate in the metaverse is similar to buying real estate in Manhattan in the 1940s. Not all plots are as expensive, and some can even start from a few $100s. However, just like the real world, everyone wants to be a part of the best locations in famous metaverses like the Sandbox and Decentraland. This raised an important question. Why would you buy land in the metaverse then, if it costs exactly like the real world plots? The simple answer is, return on investment is much higher as compared to real world plots. ROI can go as high as 1000% and in a shorter period of time. Secondly, blockchain technology makes it difficult for any land scams to occur. Blockchain technology is essentially a distributed ledger, meaning that every transaction is recorded, bringing more transparency to transactions. This minimizes any chance of real estate fraud such as forced cancellation, selling without authorization, fake promises, and delays in possession. Buying in the Metaverse. Buying land in the Metaverse is only possible through cryptocurrencies. This is because fiat currencies incur huge transaction fees, whereas crypto assets can be traded globally, and without the involvement of any third party or broker. Imagine if you could buy your favorite plot of land through lending. This can be facilitated through DeFi. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is essentially an entity which can facilitate borrowing and lending of cryptocurrency against a collateral. In the case of the Metaverse, the collateral can be an NFT that you bought or your crypto assets. It would be wrong to call DeFi similar to banks, because unlike banks, anyone without the need of any KYC documents and without any credit check can borrow crypto assets. All the transactions are automated with the help of smart contracts. How much is Metaverse real estate market worth? When Decentraland held its first land auction at the Terraform event in December of 2017, a parcel of land cost a mere $20. Those parcels sold for an average of over $6,000 in 2021. By the start of 2022, the prices have skyrocketed to approximately $15,000 per land token. With the positive outlook on Metaverse growth, companies have been heavily investing in virtual land properties. In October 2021, Tokens.com, a blockchain technology company, acquired 50% of virtual real estate company Metaverse Group for $1.7 million. In November, the Republic Realm broke records when it purchased a property in the Sandbox for a whopping price of $4.3 million. The heightened interest in Metaverse properties has caused prices to increase further. Digital land sells from $6,000 to $100,000, but some are reportedly being sold for even much higher. One of the biggest sales this past year is a property adjacent to Snoop Dogg's in the Sandbox. An anonymous buyer purportedly bought it for $450,000. How to buy a Metaverse property? Purchasing a Metaverse property works pretty much the same way as buying an NFT. Your deed of ownership is a unique piece of code on a blockchain. This code is what certifies your ownership or rights over that piece of digital land. So to start your Metaverse real estate portfolio, you'll need to have your own digital crypto wallet. Some platforms use specific cryptocurrencies for their transactions, so you might want to check them out before signing up for a new wallet. Then head to the virtual Metaverse platform and sign up to create an account. You'll need to link your digital wallet to the platform to buy land and other assets. Choose a parcel of land and purchase it. Like real-world properties, you can also purchase Metaverse land through brokers and property managers. Unlike in the real world though, Metaverse brokers don't need licenses and are under no regulations. So make sure you transact with reliable ones. The majority of Metaverse real estate is owned by the Big Four. These are the major players in the Metaverse economy and include Decentraland, Sandbox, Somnium Space, and CryptoVoxels. These platforms own a total of 268,645 parcels, which are among the highest priced ones on the market. Sandbox currently dominates the Metaverse real estate, owning approximately 62% of the entire market. Land here currently costs an average of $11,000, with premium lots selling between $20,000 to $30,000. You can buy or rent virtual spaces for various use. There are family homes, commercial spaces, art galleries, and hangout spots of different sizes. Decentraland is a 3D VR platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. Ownership of land parcels is given through land NFTs with the specific coordinates on the grid and a reference to parcel details. The virtual world of Decentraland is clustered into districts, with each one having a unique type of content. Users can traverse these areas to interact, view, and share content. For creators and brands, these districts give them more targeted traffic that enables them to bring their content to specific audiences. If you've been playing Minecraft, well, you'd feel at home at CryptoVoxels. In this virtual world, you buy land and build on it using monochrome blocks. Customize your designs by adding colors and other elements that you can purchase with native color tokens. The platform also has built-in tools for editing, creating avatars, and chatting. A parcel of land at Crypto Voxels currently sells at an average of $5,000 per lot, but prices can go as high as over $10,000 depending on the size and location of the property. Another company selling land on the metaverse is Somnium Space, which is a blockchain virtual reality metaverse built entirely by the players themselves. The 3D virtual world gives users immersive VR experiences that can be accessed on desktops and on mobile devices. Parcels in Somnium Space sell for a median price of $11,500. The virtual space is divided into parcels of 3 different sizes: small, medium, and extra large. You can choose from waterfront or roadside properties to build your space. You can import objects, such as avatars, and monetize your digital assets. Aside from the Big Four, there are now more than a dozen platforms selling metaverse land. Other alternatives include Axie Infinity, Star Atlas, BitCountry, and Avagachi. Corporations are capitalizing on the endless possibilities that Metaverse offers that could be a potential trillion-dollar opportunity. It might seem that the price tags on a lot of digital real estate might already be at a staggering amount. But remember, there are still plenty of plots yet to be purchased, while some are still being developed. Undoubtedly, the potential of digital land is unimaginable, only if channeled rightly. If you like the information provided in the video, press the like button, and also tap share to share this fascinating information with your fellow metaverse enthusiasts. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such awesome videos.